Hello, my name's Carol. Welcome to Hummingbird Spot. Today we're going to watch a little mother Allen's hummingbird rebuild her nest so she can lay more eggs. Thanks to Alec from Nature with Alec, we had the opportunity to follow every minute of this Allen's hummingbird family. After her first clutch of baby hummingbirds fledged, Emerald, our mother, started rebuilding and doing restorations on her nest. This was a sign that she was preparing to lay more eggs. You can help hummingbirds and other birds by providing nesting material for them. If you follow my busy hummingbird feeder live cam, you can see nesting material I've provided and lots of hummingbirds taking the fluff for their own nests. There's a link below in the description of this video to this nesting material that you can provide for your own birds. Days after the last baby had fledged, the nest was ready for a new miracle to begin. Emerald successfully laid her first egg of her second clutch this season. After resting for a bit, she got up and showed us the egg. 2 days after laying the first egg, Emerald began preparing for the second one. Emerald's a wonderful mother, and we know that she will be incubating these eggs for 15 to 18 days. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell because you're not going to want to miss any news from this nest and my hummingbird adventure photography videos.